First tonight, bills proposed in Lansing are looking to change regulations on medical marijuana caregivers in the state.
Some are boycotting the major cannabis producers that back the legislation. News 8's Kyle Mitchell takes a look at the debate over the proposal. All new tonight.
I'm a caregiver as well. You know, my wife has severe and chronic Crohn's disease.
Casey Cornoli, the founder of Grand Rapids-based cannabis provisioner Farmhouse Wellness, is concerned about proposed legislation that would lower the amount of cannabis plants allowed to be grown by a caregiver from 72 to 24.
It would potentially cut the amount of cannabis that I could provide to my wife.
While he sells medical and recreational marijuana at his store, he started as a caregiver, growing plants at home and providing them directly to patients for medical use.
You're probably not harvesting 72 plants all in one shot. In order for these caregivers to provide a consistent flow of cannabis for their patients, most likely they're breaking that down into different segments, some in the early seedling stage, some in the vegetative stage, and then some in the flower stage. And so when you break that down, it's really not as excessive of a plant count as people are thinking.
It's about protecting patients, and it's also about ensuring the integrity of communities.
State Representative Jim Lilly says unlike stores, caregivers are not required to test.
2/3 of the market right now, cannabis in Michigan, is unregulated. So what that can mean is that the majority of that product can be untested. And so for cancer patients, those with immunocompromised situations, getting access to safe product is really important. Some of this untested product has been found to contain mold, pesticides, E. coli, salmonella.
He says the legislation would also reduce the amount of plants grown in residential areas and lead to more growing in commercial or agricultural areas.
New York just went through some of this work, and they've done about 12 plants for 6 patients compared to what I've proposed at 24. But our current law allows for 72. Which for anyone who does any growing or cultivating cannabis knows is far more than 6 patients can possibly consume.
Some see the bills as a way to transfer market share from smaller businesses to corporate operations and are boycotting products produced by big companies. Cornoli says the caregiver system is already important to the economy.
This is a cottage industry, but it's also an industry that generates jobs, and it's an industry that generates ancillary business as well.
He thinks the legislation is not the best way to approach concerns about quality.
I can't speak for the 30-something thousand growers and what's inside of their gardens across the state. However, with a good heart, I couldn't imagine that you would be doing that. And if it is going on, okay, let's address that head on.
In Grand Rapids, Kyle Mitchell, News 8.